everyone, I am Danit Peleg, and this year marks a decade since I began my journey in 3D printed fashion. 10 years ago, I started with a simple idea. How can I use FDM printers to print textiles for my school projects? I couldn't understand why no one else took this technology that was already out there and used it to print fabrics. I found a small maker space where I taught myself everything I know about 3D printing. And to speed up the process, I just brought 6 printers to my home and I was just printing 24/7. After 9 months, I ended up printing the world's first fashion collection, printed entirely using desktop 3D printers. From my first fully 3D printed collection to the Olympics, to developing my own 3D printers and sustainable and wearable materials, each step was a leap to make my vision of 3D printed fashion at scale a reality. My work has allowed me to travel the world from Paris to New York to Tokyo, sharing my vision and learning from others, building a course. Being part of this global community has been one of the most fulfilling aspects of my career and opened up so many opportunities for me. I sold the first 3D printed garments, this jacket, that you can buy on the internet, and I've focused on pushing the boundaries of NFTs and 3D printed fashion. My latest project involved recycling factory waste into 3D printed textiles and pioneering new kind of software that help other designers create. All of these experiences really showed me that if we can take this innovation and make it scale with the right materials, we could reduce a negative impact. There are many benefits to 3D printed fashion as it relates to our environment. And with more research and development into 3D printing, I believe we have a shot at reinventing this fashion industry and rebuilding it to be much more circular and radically cleaner. My journey has been about persistence, innovation, and a belief that fashion should be personal, sustainable, and endlessly creative. Being nominated as the Pioneer of the Decade is such an honor. It is always so amazing what places creativity and innovation can take us. Thank you for the opportunity, and thank you 3D Pioneer Challenge for being part of my journey from my early days. I can't wait to see where the next decades will take us. Thank you.